installation. Two models of the PoE injector are available. The first one has two DC power ports with power input of plus minus 18 to 60 volts DC. The other one has one DC port with power input of plus minus 40 to 60 volts DC. This is power 1 and will be there in both PoEs. This next one is only available in the first option with two inputs. This is the Ethernet cable connection. This last one is the PoE connection. The cable connected here will go towards the radio and connect to the PoE port on the radio. Use a steel hose clamp to attach the PoE to a pole if installed outdoors. You can also install the PoE on a wall with two screws or indoors on a dedicated tray to the 19-inch rack. Insert the DC cable into power 1 and use a small flat screwdriver to tighten the screws on the connector. Close the gland properly, first the front part and after that the rear part. Installed indoors in a clean environment, the glands are not required. Connect the Ethernet cable with a gland. Connect the PoE cable with a gland. Open the screw on the right side of the PoE and connect the grounding cable supplied with the PoE with the cable lug located between the plain washer and the serrated washer. Use tie wraps to fasten the cables to the lips of the glands. When the PoE is operating properly, you should see a green indication on the front of the PoE.